control.
I mean, the fact that this issue has not gotten on people's radar,
Right, no one's talking about it.
it's pretty amazing. If you don't know what's going on in Nigeria, your media sources suck. You are in a bubble. And again, I'm not a Christian, but they are systematically killing the Christians in Nigeria. They've killed over 100,000 since 2009. They've burned 18,000 churches. This is so much more. These are the Islamists, Boko Haram. This is so much more of a genocide attempt than what is going on in Gaza. They are literally attempting to wipe out the Christian population of an entire country. Where are the kids protesting this?
Thank you. No one will talk about it, so thank you.
Over 7,000 Christians have been killed in Nigeria in the last 220 days, some reports say. Nigerian Christians are one of the most passionate Christians